Hello, friends. Good morning. Uh, we Today I'm just going to share the Nifty where we stand. So exactly like we will understand what exactly is taking place in the Nifty and what are the things that we can expect in the coming weeks and months. So I said like I'll come up in this particular week with the detailed analysis. The reason is why because research takes time to confirm where we stand. So it will take more time to get analyzed and to arrive at a judgment. It is not an easy thing to say that this is what we are, where we are standing, and all those stuff. So it takes time. So to analyze a particular chart, it usually takes approximately 2 to 3 days because we need to analyze on three parameters: the price, the time, the price, and the time together. So unless and until we narrow down all these three things on a simultaneous basis and arrive at a macro level conclusion, we cannot say that this is where we stand. So it has actually taken time for me to understand where we stand and to arrive at the numbers where we stand. So just it took time for me to come up with this particular analysis. Okay, let me start with the macro analysis first, because like this is useful for my students who understand GAN. This is like they will understand much better than anyone else. So I'm just starting with them. So for GAN students, like we are all very clear with the master wave one, which has unfolded in five-wave pattern, and we have completed the master wave two. Currently, we are in master wave three, and we have completed the one, two, and three, and four is also complete. So last time in the last week video, when I was doing the mid year forecast, I was waiting like to conclude that this is the wave four. So right now, like if you were to look at it, the picture has changed. Now I have taken the top of wave three within master wave three as 10th of April 2024. So it is not like a 1 day correction that had happened for wave 4. It is actually approximately 3 months, April to May, June, July. So approximately 2 to 3 months of wave 4 was happening. So 10th of April 2024 is 22,775. That is the peak of third of this master wave 3 that we have completed with the day of the result, and we have hit the low of 21,281. So that marks the four, and currently we are in fifth. So if you were to look at it, we still have approximately 2 months left for this fifth to complete, and the minimum target we could arrive at is around 27,500 to that of 28,000. So this is the area wherein we are expecting this wave 5 to terminate. However, saying that we are approaching a very important crucial level, crucial resistance, which is like a 25,188. So we need to take that 25,188 at the earliest. Only then we can confirm that this wave 5 is not a failure and actually moving towards the original target of 27,500 to that of 28,000. So this is the minimum target that I'm looking at. For that, immediately we need to take off 25,188, which is a very crucial resistance for this particular month. Okay, the month of August, we need to take at the earliest. Probably like we can spill over till 4th or 5th of September, nothing more than that. So by end of next week, we have to take out 25,188.88, 25,188 on closing basis. Okay, so once we are done, that is the hurdle that we have right now. Then we are moving swiftly towards 25,000, 27,500 to that of 28,000 as planned by November 2024. Okay, this is a macro picture for people who understand GAN waves. for the students of GANWave. Now let me come to the minor analysis on the daily charts. So last time I have already told that we need to take out this particular major resistance, which was hovering around 24,900 odd levels. So we have successfully taken out the 24,900 on closing basis, and the major resistance has been broken on the daily charts. Now what we are supposed to do is we need to, once again. So what we are supposed to do is like for those who are following us with the HADC, HADC concept or HADC indicator, or with the AIG3 indicator, what we need to do is like keep following the trend and keep the stop loss at a 24,800. And once we take out this particular 24,800, we will most likely reverse this particular trend. Now I'm giving you a broader range for this upcoming week, like for till 3rd or 4th of September. This is going to be the range that we are looking out for: 25,188 on the upside and 24,800 on the downside. So it is like this is going to be the broader range: 24,800 and 25,188, as discussed in the major analysis. So we are in this particular zone. This is the thing that this resistance of 25,188 has to be taken out on the closing basis at the earliest, so that we will move towards the higher thing. So for those who are following only the micro trend, which is like the daily time frame, for them you can continue the trade that we have taken here. You can continue with the trailing stop loss at 24,800 on the closing basis. Probably in a day or two it will come around 25,000. So ideally, like by end of this particular week, since we have this expiry also coming up, so we most likely we should hold on to 24,800 by Friday, and we need to move forward towards 25,188 by 4th of September 2024. Okay, so these are the levels to be watched out for immediately. And as I was mentioning, for the major analysis, we are looking out for the 5th of 3rd master wave 3 to continue towards 27,500 to that of 28,000 by November 2024. I'll come back with the dates next time when we make the macro analysis. For the time being, I don't have a exact date on which we are looking at for the peak in the month of November 2024. I have to analyze that. Okay, this is it for this particular day. Let me try to come back to you by weekend or the next week if I find something interesting. Due to my schedule with the gold trading, I'm completely into that particular instrument. So that is the reason as to why I'm not able to make this Nifty videos. Let me try. We have made some plans for the month of September onwards. Let's see. If things go well, we will have frequent updates coming up for Nifty as well. Let me try. I'll connect back to you at the earliest, and we will update you how things are progressing from here on. Thank you so much, and all the best.